My name is Gopi. I'm a data science and AI student at 360DigiTMG. Recently, I had the opportunity to visit Dhuni Polymers Private Limited, which is a premier manufacturer of packing product, as part of client visit with our CEO, Mr. Bharni Kumar sir. I'm excited to share my experience during this visit. Dhuni Polymers is a manufacturing company which manufactures the PP woven sacks for industries like cement. And I was able to see their entire production process. Their entire production process involves several stages. First one is receiving the raw materials. Raw materials in the sense like PP granulars, which are main material to make the sacks. These sacks are woven into the fabric to make the bags. These sacks are checked for the quality and they make it available to deliver. During this visit, I observed some business problems. First business problem is sometimes suppliers are supplying wrong amount of raw materials. This could be solved using AI with cameras and sensors by counting the number of PP granular bags on conveyor belt and check the delivery count and the order count. And also next business problem is tracking the inventory. They are tracking the stock of PP granulars manually, which can lead to mistake. It can be solved using AI and forecasting. By using forecasting, we can predict how much amount of PP granules are required in the future. As a data science student, I observed how data science and AI solving the real world problems. A special thanks to Bharni Kumar sir and entire team AiSPRY who gave this opportunity to visit Dhuni Polymers Private Limited and gain hands-on experience. Thank you.